Hi students, welcome back to my channel Divyas Maths. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Divyas Maths. Today we will be solving exercise 5.1 question number 2 and 3 from the chapter Arithmetic Progressions. If you have not watched my previous videos on the chapter Arithmetic Progressions, I will put all the links in the description box below, or I will link it in this I button. So let's get started. So the second question, write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given below. So he has given us the first term and the common difference D. Okay, so we need to find the first 4 terms of an AP. So how do you get the first 4 terms of an AP? The first term is A, right? So when he has given us the common difference, if you add first term with common difference, you will get the second term, right? Then if you add second term with a common difference, you will get the third term. Yes, so if you add third term with the common difference, you will get the fourth term, right? So here this is A, right? So A plus D is the second term, and here we have A plus 2D is your third term and A plus 3D is your fourth term. Okay, so let us substitute A and D values in this. So the first term A is 10, right? So here A plus D, that is 10 plus D is 10. So in the third term you will get A is 10 plus 2 into D is 20. Okay. So in the fourth term you will get A plus 3 into D is 30. The final AP, 4 terms of AP, which is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20, 10 plus 20 is 30 and 10 plus 30 is 40. Clear? This is the 4 terms of an AP. Okay. Let us see the second question. A is equals to minus 2 and D is equals to 0. So A is the first term, okay, and D is the common difference. So how do we write the first 4 terms of an AP? A plus D is the second term, A plus 2D is the third term, and A plus 3D is the fourth term, right? So let us substitute. A is minus 2. Here A is minus 2 plus D is 0. The third term A is minus 2 plus 2 into common difference is 0. And the fourth term minus 2 plus 0. Okay. So the final 4 terms of an AP is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2. Okay, clear? Let us see the next question. A is equals to 4 and D is equals to minus 3. So here A is the first term of an AP. Okay. So A is the first term and second term will be A plus D and third term will be A plus 2D and the fourth term will be A plus 3D. Clear? So this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term and this is the fourth term. Okay. So the first term is 4. In the second term we have A plus D, that is 4 plus of minus 3. And in the third term we have 4 plus of 2 into minus 3. And in the fourth term A is 4 plus 3 into minus 3. Okay. So the final AP, the 4 terms of an AP is 4. This is plus into minus is minus. 4 minus 3 is 1. Plus into minus is minus. 4 minus 6. 6 is minus 2. This is 4 plus into minus is minus. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So these are the 4 terms of an AP. The next question is A is equals to -1 and D is equals to 12. So A is the first term and D is the common difference. Okay. How do we find the 4 terms of an AP? That is A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. Okay. So the first term, which is -1, A is -1. Here we have -1 plus D is 12. Here A is, and the third term is A is -1 plus 2 into 12. And the fourth term A is -1 plus 3 into 12. Okay. So the 4 terms of an AP is -1. Here we have -1 plus 12 is 11. Here we have -1 plus 24 is 23. This one is -1 plus 12 threes is 36, which is 35. So these are the 4 terms of an AP. Okay. Now let us see the last question from the first bit, which is A is equals to -1.25 and D is equals to -0.25. Okay. So A is the first term here and D is the common difference. So how do we take the first 4 terms of an AP? A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. Okay. So this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term and this one is the fourth term. Clear? So let us substitute. A is -1.25. The second term is A is -1.25 plus D is -0.25. And the third term A is -1.25 plus 2 into -0.25. Okay. And the last term, that is fourth term, A is -1.25 plus 3 into -0.25. Okay. So you will get the first term is -1.25. So the second term -1.25. Here we have plus into minus is -0.25. So you will get 1.50. So the third term -1.25 plus of minus is minus. 2 into 0.25 is, this is 0.50. Okay. So this will become -1.25 minus 0.50, which becomes 1.75. Okay. So the next one is 3 into -0.25 is 0.75, which is -0.75. Okay. So minus 1.25 minus 0.75, which is -2.0. Okay. So these are the 4 terms of an AP. Clear? Let us solve the third question. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. So the first term is denoted with A. A is equals to first term. And the common difference is equals to D. Okay. So this is the AP he has given. This is 3 is the first term. 1 is the second term. -1 is the third term. And -3 is the fourth term of the AP. Right. So the first term, which is 3, is our A. Okay. So therefore A is equals to 3. So if this is an AP, the common difference will be same, right? So we need to find the common difference. So how do we find the common difference? That is, so D is equals to A2 minus A1, which is equals to A3 minus A2, then which is equals to A4 minus A3. Okay. So what is A2 here? A2 is 1, which is the second term. 1 minus a1 is 3. That is the first term, is equals to a3 is minus 1 minus a2 is 1. Okay. So you will get d is equals to minus 2 is equals to minus 2. Okay. So the common differences are same for all the terms. Okay. So the common difference is equals to minus 2. Clear? Let us see the next question. Minus 5, minus 1, 3 and 7 is an AP. Okay. So this is the first term. This is the second term. This is the third term and 7 is the fourth term. Okay. We know that first term is represented with A, right? So A is equals to minus 5. Then next we need to find the common difference D. So how do we get the common difference D? D is equals to A2 minus A1 and you will get D is equals to A3 minus A2 and D is equals to A4 minus A3. So see here, since it is an AP, we will have same common differences. Okay. So let us find the common differences for this AP. So let us find the common difference. For the first two terms, you will get A2 minus A1, which is A2 is minus 1 minus of A1 is minus 5. Okay. Minus 1 plus 5 is 4. Okay. Now let us find the common difference for next two terms, that is A2 and A3, which is A3 minus A2. A3 is 3 minus A2 is minus 1. This is 4. And for the next two terms also, you will get the common difference as 4. Okay. So the common difference is 4. Clear? So let us find the first term and the common difference for the third problem. So this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term and this is the fourth term. Okay. So we know that first term is represented with A, which is A is equals to 1 by 3. And let us find the common difference D. Okay. So how do we find the common difference D? D is equals to A2 minus A1. Right, for the first two terms, if we want to find the common difference, we will take A2 minus A1. A2 is 5 by 3 minus A1 is 1 by 3. If you take an LCM, it is 3 and here we'll get 5 minus 1 is 4. So the common difference is 4 by 3. And the common difference for the next two terms, that is A3 minus A2. A3 is 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3. A2 is 5 by 3. So LCM is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay. So in the same way, for the next two terms also, the common difference is same, which is 4 by 3. Okay. So we can take the common difference as 4 by 3. Clear? So let us solve the last question. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and 3.9 is an AP. Okay. So this is the first term, this is the second, this is the third term and this is the fourth term. So the first term is represented with A, which is 0.6 here. And the common difference is, how do we find the common difference? D is equals to A2 minus A1. Okay. So A2 is 1.7, the second term, minus A1 is first term, which is 0.6. Clear? You will get 1.1. And if we find the common difference for the next two terms, that is A2 and A3, so you will get A3 is 2.8 minus 1.7, which is 1.1. And if we find the common difference for the last two terms, so it is 3.9 and minus 2.8, it is 1.1. Okay. So the common difference we can see in this AP is 1.1. Clear? So please do practice these 2 questions and let me know if you are facing any difficulty in understanding them. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye.